Quick focaccia bread sort of in the toaster oven. Dr. John A. Allocca. July 23, 25. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. Ingredients: 1½ cups water, 1/2 teaspoon sea salt, 1 bunch of fresh basil, finely chopped, 1 red bell pepper, without stem, placenta, seeds, finely chopped, 2 teaspoons oregano, 1/2 cup organic extra virgin olive oil, plus some for the pan, 3 cups organic unbleached white flour, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 2 teaspoons xanthan gum. Add a fairly generous amount of olive oil to the bottom of a 9-inch by 13-inch by 1-inch pan. Mix all ingredients well with a wooden spoon. Spoon mixture into the pan. Smooth the top of the mixture with a tablespoon. Sprinkle a little olive oil on top. Bake in a toaster oven or regular oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After baking, sprinkle a little olive oil on top. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on essential health. Unlock your physical and mental wellness potential.